Hi, this is Troy with Chick-a-Woof Ranch. It's the sun's going down. Actually, it's down, and the fog is rolling in. So, I wanted to share with you one of the things that we love about the farm is we have a pair of barn owls in our barn, and so about this time of night, they will come flying in and out. They fly out this direction and land up in the trees by our house. And they perch up there and look for mice. So I don't know if you can see the fog coming in, but it was a beautiful night tonight. Unseasonably unwindy. So let's take you inside the barn and I will show you, we'll try and get some footage of the owls either coming in or coming out, bringing mice to their babies, and I'll talk about the owl box that we've built in the barn to help facilitate them coming in and out and having babies in our barn. All right, let's go in.
We have a wonderful little secret that we get to share with you all. We have a barn owl, and every night when we come out to do our milking chores, sometimes we get a wonderful show, and it is accustomed to us most of the time as long as we're quiet, don't make a lot of eye contact. Anyway, this is our special little treat that we want to share with you, and hopefully we can get some footage tonight. It's not as late as it normally is, so we might have to make a few trips out here at different times to see what we can capture to show you. It has at least 2 babies up in the box. Troy has built a barn owl box, and we set it up about 2 years ago. This is our second year for having a barn owl take up residence and having at least 2 clutches last year, and this is our first clutch this year. We never know how many are in there. We don't disturb anything. We just get to watch the show and listen as they gather their mice every night and fly in and out. Anyway, I've got my little helper here with me, Corbin. He probably will not be quiet enough, but he'll get to stick around for a little while. So anyway, we hope we can capture some good footage and share with you our little secret at Chick-a-Woof Ranch. So here we are at the milk stand, and hopefully you get to see a little bit of what we get to view almost every night. Our barn owls come in and out as long as we're quiet. They feel free to come and go and feed their babies, and so we're hoping to catch a glimpse of this. So this has been our evening since about March, and we'll see.
So she or he, I'm not sure which one it was, flew in, and you saw that, and then landed on that crossbar. I tried to zoom in and focus, but I don't think she liked the zoom on the camera. I think she heard it. So she flew out. So normally she would fly right up and right up to the opening of the box and fly right in. but I knew she was coming because I could hear the babies talking. So the babies must be able to see her when she comes in, and she lands up at the front of the barn. We're in the back of the barn, and that's where the box is mounted, is on the back of the barn here. Is she up there? She's up at the front of the barn, sitting inside, and she's got a mouse. Got it. She flew out. She flew out.
So this is what I do every night, and the owl show goes on behind me. It's just pretty cool that they're trusting enough or determined enough, one or the other, to fly back and forth behind us and quiet and sit here in the still and the peace, and get to enjoy their beauty and majesty that God has created. It's just fascinating to get to watch them deliver the mice to their babies that are in there. And we know there's at least 2, maybe more. But anyway, the babies are getting big in there now. It's been a while, and so they're probably getting ready to leave. So we should get a lot of activity, and we were thrilled to be able to share just a piece of it with you. So here's our little secret every spring on Chick-a-Woof Ranch.